2 days ago, I needed to repurpose a video for my international audience. Multiple languages, perfect lip sync, the whole thing. Normally, that's a 6-hour editing nightmare across 4 different tools. Download, upload, translate, sync, export. You know the drill. But then I found a tool called ClipZap that did the entire thing in 9 minutes. And look, I've been doing this YouTube thing for over 2 decades, tested probably hundreds of AI tools, and this one actually does something different. And in the next 3 minutes, I'm showing you the exact workflow, what it actually costs, and the one warning most reviewers won't tell you. Because if you're paying for multiple AI subscriptions right now, what I'm about to show you could save you serious money. Let's go. Here's what's been driving creators crazy in 2026. You want to repurpose your content, right? So you're juggling Runway for video generation, 11 Labs for voiceovers, HeyGen for translations, Opus Clip for cutting things down. That's $104 a month, 4 different logins, 4 different dashboards, and hours of your life just downloading files, uploading them again, waiting for renders. It's exhausting. ClipZap looked at this mess and asked one simple question. What if you could access 30+ AI models from one place and actually chain them together like building blocks? And that workflow part, that's where things get interesting. Okay, watch this. I'm dropping in a 20-minute video. Now, instead of me sitting here scrubbing through the timeline looking for the good parts, see this workflow editor? I'm literally dragging and dropping AI features like puzzle pieces. Watch, caption node. Boom, auto subtitles. Translation node, now I'm choosing Spanish as an example. It supports over 100 languages. Could be French, Portuguese, Hindi, whatever you need. But for this demo, let me show you Spanish. Lip sync toggle. See how amazing the results are? The mouth movements match the Spanish words, not just subtitles. Actual dubbed audio with synced lip movement. One upload, multiple clips, any language you need. Zero switching between apps. And if you're finding this helpful, go ahead and subscribe. I test tools like this every week so you don't have to. All right, real talk. Because I'm not here to just hype stuff up. Free tier gives you limited credits, enough to test a couple videos, see if you like the interface. Real usage starts at the $39 professional plan, which unlocks the premium models like VO3, Kling, and that lip sync feature I just showed you. Now, if you're actually using multiple AI tools regularly, clipping, captioning, translation, voice, you're legitimately saving money here, and this is important, and this is the part nobody else is saying, I checked Trustpilot before making this video, and I did see some users reporting billing issues. So my advice, start with monthly. Don't lock into annual until you've confirmed it fits your workflow, just being smart about it. But that workflow editor, the concept of chaining AI models together in one visual interface, that's genuinely new. Now, I'm curious, are you currently using multiple AI tools for your content? Drop a comment and let me know which ones. I might test them next. The link to ClipZap is in the description below. My recommendation, test the free tier first. Try that video clipping feature on one of your long-form pieces. See if the workflow actually saves you time. Now, if you want to see more AI video tools that can actually save you time and money, I've got a playlist breaking down the best ones. Links right here. Real tests, honest takes. Check it out. I'll catch you in the next one.